So today we are going to be going over how we analyze our trading data when deciding which indicators we want to be using or to keep around. So today I'm going to be looking at volume, money flow index, and wave trend, and trying to find confluence between the three while looking at market structure. So if we go to our Google Sheets here, we can see we have our recent wins and losses. We're about 15 trades into this trial run of analyzing these indicators, and our wins and losses are going to enter into our results sheet, and we can see which indicators are working for us, which time frames are working for us, and which pairs are working for us. And we'll be able to create another column here identifying a win-to-loss ratio for these pairs. So if we wanted to look at or examine why USD CHF was a winner, we could go back and look what we did. We mostly entered on the daily. We found divergence in the money flow index, and we got a green dot on the daily, and we found support at our VWAPs. This was a strong VWAP because we had made a V bottom, came back down, bounced off of it, got back above the previous high VWAP, and we were going above it, extended, and then came back, found support where they converged together. I went over the 4 hour, and we see it went straight up, started consolidating to the right, and then when we got this green dot over here on wave trend, it's pretty safe to say it's going to go back up. It still might go up, but we're going to take our profit and move on to the next trade. And then if we want to look at a recent loser, like JPP, AUD, so on the 4 hour, we had a divergence, money flow index, and on wave trend. Had a bit of volume here. Could have assumed it was going to go up somewhat, and we did go up. I think we were up about 8% in our trade. But if you look at the bigger picture, we are below the VWAPs. So if we were going to enter in there, we should have got out quickly, or been looking for waiting for a short. But it went up quickly, and then quickly reversed and stopped me out while I was sleeping. So the lesson is, trend is your friend. From now on, I think I'll only be taking trades if we are above the VWAP. We'll take longs if we're below it or finding resistance below it. We will be looking for shorts. If you want to see more how to set up your trading data into Google Sheets like this, I can show this in another video.